So we've been using linear extrusion for creating the first solid. So once you create a closed profile like this, the sketch, like I shape, and selecting the sketch, if I extrude it linearly, we get the I-beam, right? You can extend the length, and we get the I-beam, linear shape. But what if we revolve this profile about this axis of revolution, and we'll get more like a cylindrical shape, okay? So for that, we use this revolved boss base feature. That's the one next to the extrusion. So select the sketch and select the revolved boss base, and it asks for the axis of revolution, okay? In this case, we have two center lines, so it does not automatically select one of them. If there was only one center line, it'll automatically grab that center line. But in this case, we can manually select the center axis, and let's say 360 degrees. We're going to revolve full revolution, and we'll get this wheel shape. Okay. If I look at the section, you can use this button here, section view. So this is just to show the graphical section of the part. And as you can see here, this section of your sketch, and it's revolved, and there's another one at the bottom. Okay. That's a revolve feature. Okay. If I look at the different example here, so we have this one center line, and we have a closed profile. Okay. So if I select the sketch, and again, revolve boss base, it automatically grabs the center line because there's only one center line. Okay. So remember that we had a gap between the profile and the center line, and we'll get a hole, right? Because there's a gap. And if I look at the section view here, there was a center line here in the middle, and there's a gap. So the distance from the center line to the profile will be the radius of the hole. Okay. Of course, we can edit the sketch. Edit the revolve feature, and we can set different angles. Like instead of 360, we can say 180, and we'll get half. And of course, you can change the rotation direction by clicking on this reverse direction button, and you get the other one. Okay. And also you can use the regular other end condition like midplane. Right? In this case, you have a profile in the middle, and then you revolve in both directions, but overall it's going to be 180 degrees. Okay, so there the similar end conditions all apply to the revolve. Okay, so this is almost exactly the same as extrusion, only we need an input for the axis of revolution, very similar to extrusion. And also, if I look at edit the sketch, instead of that, replace that with this sketch line here, okay? And that will give you, like, let's do a full 360 degrees. We'll get a radically different shapes. Okay, there's no hole in here. Or we could select a different line. Instead of this, we could select this one, and then again it'll give you a radically different shape. Okay, so this axis of revolution can be center line in the sketch, or line in the sketch, or it could be an existing edge, linear edge of an existing body, or a reference axis. Okay, any linear entity will work for the revolve feature.